You're broke because you're weak. Let that sink in. You're sitting there scrolling, complaining about bills, debt, and your dead-end job. But here's the truth. You did this to yourself. You chose comfort over discipline. You traded hustle for excuses. And unless you fix this fast, you'll die mediocre, forgotten, and poor. But if you're done being a liability, I'll show you how to turn this around in 30 days. No magic, no luck, just raw, unfiltered masculinity. Let's go. Money isn't the problem. You are. Broke men don't lack opportunities. They lack ownership. You blame the economy, your boss, your upbringing, anything to avoid staring into the mirror. But real men don't whine. They adapt. They conquer. Your bank account is a scoreboard for your choices. If it's empty, you failed. You prioritize video games over skills, Netflix over networking, and fast food over fitness. And life's punished you for it. But here's the good news. You can reverse this. In 30 days, you can rebuild your mind, body, and wallet. But it starts with one word: dominate. Let's get the excuses. Ready? Let's begin. Truth 1. You're addicted to pity. You've turned struggle into your identity. Poor me stories get you likes, not results. Newsflash: nobody cares. The world rewards value, not victims. Truth 2. You're lazy. You skip workouts, eat trash, and call research watching TikTok hacks. You're not busy, you're disorganized. Real men run on discipline, not motivation. Truth 3. You're scared to lead. You wait for permission to thrive, to ask for a raise, to start a side hustle. Kings don't ask, they act. Truth 4. You're financially illiterate. You don't budget. You don't invest. You spend $8 on coffee but cry about being broke. That's not bad luck, it's stupidity. Truth 5. You're soft. You quit when it's hard. You chase dopamine hits, porn, junk food, cheap validation, instead of purpose. Weakness is a choice, and right now, you're choosing it. Now that these truths are exposed, here are some actionable steps to get you out of the broke gang within 30 days. Step 1. Rule your mind, days 1 to 30. Your mind is either your greatest weapon or your worst enemy. Every morning, you warrior up with a 10-minute mental drill. 5 a.m., write 3 goals. Not wishes, commands. I will make $500 this week. 5:05 a.m., cold shower. No whining. It's pain therapy. Teaches you to embrace discomfort. 5:15 a.m., 5 minutes of breath work. Inhale focus, exhale doubt. Weak minds negotiate. Strong minds execute. Step 2. Build a bank account that screams king, days 1 to 10. Broke is a disease. Cure it. Slash expenses. Cancel subscriptions. Eat rice and eggs. Sell your crap. Hustle. Drive Uber. Flip furniture. Mow lawns. No jobs beneath a man building his empire. Daily dollar goal. Make $100 per day. Side hustles. Overtime, whatever. No excuses. By day 10, you'll have $1,000. That's your fund to bigger opportunities. Step 3. Forge a body that demands respect, days 1 to 30. No gym, no problem. 6 a.m., 20 push-ups, 20 squats, 1-minute plank. Diet on only meat, eggs, vegetables. No sugar, no alcohol. Sleep 8 hours. Phone off by 9 p.m. Your body is your temple. Treat it like a goddamn cathedral. Step 4. Master one skill that prints money, days 11 to 30. You need a marketable skill. Pick one. Coding, sales, copywriting, welding. Grind 2 hours per day. YouTube tutorials, free courses. Freelance. Offer services for cheap. Build reviews. In 20 days, you'll have a skill people pay for. No degree needed. Step 5. Eliminate weak influences. Days 1 to 30. You're the average of your 5 closest friends. If they're losers, you're next. Cut off moochers, complainers, lazy gamers. Follow 10 mentors on X or Twitter. Read 1 book per week. Extreme ownership. Atomic habits. Your environment. Your room is a war room. No clutter. No distractions. In 30 days, you'll either be a king or a peasant. The difference? Action. You don't need more time. You need more guts. This is your final wake-up call. Hit that like button if you're done being broke. Subscribe if you're ready to conquer. And share this with every man you know who's sick of his own. The clock starts now. Let's go.